I really do feel that it doesn't matter what your job is, where you work. It doesn't matter what your title says. I think if you really are customer focused, no matter what you do, if you just try to help them navigate through whatever challenge it is and help it come to resolution, that you're going to be successful. That goes regardless of what industry you're in. Having that customer focus first is critical.
Yeah, I think that's another angle as well, right? Because it also gives a little perspective of your customers of saying, I don't know how to find this information, either, if I'm going on the website or if I've been in a presentations, right? But going to you and then you actually connect. Maybe they're lazy, hopefully they're not that, but it could be a reflection of saying, hey, you should actually make it easier on your website as well to say, hey, how do we help you to connect you to the right person? If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Leadership in Manufacturing on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Make sure to check our website. It's called leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.